Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you're fine. Be safe at home with your parents and don't trouble them. It's summer now and it's very hot. We all feel hot now. So today, let us make a hand fan. So when you feel hot, you can cool yourself using that fan. Before we begin, let me show you the things we'll need to make the fan. Now, first, take a sheet of colored paper, 2 ice cream sticks, glue, and a pair of scissors. But be very careful. Ask your parents to help you with the
Scissor.
First, fold the color sheet into half. Take the
Scissor.
and cut it into half. Now take the half sheet and fold it. First fold. Second fold. Third fold. Open the fold and start folding, fan folding this way. Now in this way, finish folding the whole sheet of paper. I have fan folded both the sheets of paper. Now, after that, place one on top of the other and let us tie a knot in the middle. Here we'll be needing a little bit of thread to tie the knot. Now you see, after tying the knot in the middle, here it is separate. These sides are separate. I will use the glue to attach them. Now, after attaching the sides, this is how the fan looks like. But you need a handle also, right? So, we will put glue in the ice cream stick and we will attach. In the same way, on the other side also we will attach. Right? Now after attaching the ice cream stick, your fan is complete. Now I'll show you how to use this hand fan. See, this is a fan. You will hold it, and then when you will feel hot, you will fan yourself like this. Did you enjoy making this fan with me? I enjoyed too. Thank you.